Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Matt with Green Bar Trading. So in this video, I'm going to go over how I took 3 trades, went 3 for 3, so 100% accuracy. And it wasn't any secret. All I did was trade with the trend. And I'm going to show you guys here in a second how we did that. Um, Trading is so much easier when you're just waiting for those opportunities instead of trading a choppy market. Okay. We want to be trading a trending market, either trending up or trending down. That's what, is definitely the easiest way to day trade. So let's get right into it. Before I do, this is where I'm going to ask you if you would take that 2 seconds, 1 second actually, and just hit the thumbs up for me. It helps the channel tremendously. And I had hockey last night. Very late. I play, midnight hockey, ice hockey. And I came in this morning very tired, still very tired. So that should get an extra thumbs up. So let's get into it. All right, what I traded was the Russell 2K. This is the futures. It's something that I could trade, when it's when it's good for me, right? So this trades 24/7 just about on Sunday, obviously Saturday and Sunday. It doesn't trade. It opens up Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is just it's a good way to trade in the pre-market. And that's somewhere where I'm always looking for those opportunities because I have another business. So during the day, a lot of times I'm not at the screens. So I can't trade, during market hours. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. But anyway, this is the Russell. I'm going to get back to this in a second. So what did we do today? $245 in profit on 3 trades. So that's ideal. That is ideal for me. Less mental capital. Got to my goals quickly and, got there trading the trend. And that's all we did. So this is the last couple days of trading with the Russell 2K. These are, candlesticks. This is the 5-minute chart, and the yellow line is my VWAP. I mark off some key levels, which right here is 2005 because of this. Saw some support, saw some more support right here. This is yesterday's pre-market because that's the low of the day before. So once that starts to break, right, you start to ask yourself, you know what? That was a key level. And, key levels, if we're going up, should probably have support and not break down. That's what happened here. And now it's resistance. It's more resistance and even more resistance. So what was support got a little bounce, but never made a higher high. Got another bounce, made a little bit of a higher high, and then sold off, got the rug pulled during yesterday's session, in a choppy session until the trend at the end. So what do I do? So I'm coming in this morning and I am seeing, I'm going to show you guys in just a second. Let me just remove these. I like to keep my charts as clean as possible, especially when I'm making recap videos. I could go back, if I forget to erase this stuff, and my charts look crazy as I'm trying to explain things. So this is what I see. I mean, guys, clear as day right here. Just going to make this a little bigger so you guys can see. That is a downtrend. And what do you know? Right here is multiple confluences. What that means is you're hitting a trend line, you're hitting it for the third time, and you're hitting resistance. So this at 3 a.m. when UK Open happened, that is a monster possibility to get a huge move. So that did happen, which we see here. Massive drop. Obviously, guys, I wasn't up at 3 a.m. It is what it is. So when I get to my screens, when am I up? I'll show you guys in a second. Let me take this off. Like I said, we're going to go to the 1 minute. And we're going to dial in what we were doing here. So like I said, $245, 3 for 3. Now, what happens is when you're trending down, it starts to consolidate, and then it has another big drop. These are setting up bear flags. So when it drops, consolidates, pops a little bit, and then drops again. Consolidates, drops again. Pops up, and drops again. Whoops. And this is just the trend. Going up, down, up, down. They can't break the previous high. Breaking floors here. All right, gotta get rid of that. And then we start to bottom out. Now, the markets will never continue to go forever. That's why I'm scalping these moves, because I don't want to get caught in the reversal. So when that happens, it's starting to now make higher lows and higher highs. That's a new trend that is starting now. This trend is the trend that I was trading. Every pop I was getting in, scalping, back down. So just 3 trades. And then we started to see, which is what we're looking at right now, a bit of a recovery off of the bottom, which is totally normal. So you never know how far down these are going to go. But, when you see big buying like this and a really big move quickly, that's usually a sign that, okay, enough selling now. The algorithms are stepping in. They see value down here for whatever reason. And then it comes back down. And you'll almost always try to get a retest of this, which is kind of setting up a double bottom. And then it just starts to go up from there. Like I said, higher highs, higher lows. So that's it. Trading with the trend. The key is to wait for these trending actions to happen. And that's something that yesterday or the day before you saw in my Red Day recap, I didn't do a very good job at. I got chopped up when I could have just waited for the trend that happened at the end of the day, and I would have done so much better, than losing money. So sometimes you just got to be patient. When I see stuff like this, I love it. That's really where, if you're dialed in, you can really make a good amount of money, trading a very clear trend like this. So that's it for me, guys. $245 profit and only 3 trades, which was key for me today. Trade the trend. Do not fight the trend. And that's it. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you want to join our Discord group, the link will be in the description for you guys. And I will see you on the next one. Take care.